Hi guys, and welcome back to Cristian Casts, where I go fishing so you don't have to. Today I am back in the bait building workshop and we're going to be making this little one. I used some stickers and some quite colorful paint, and it was something completely different. I wanted to see if I can actually make a quick bait build, and you'll see how it goes. Still working on a lot of things, and we'll get right into it, and I'll show you guys step for step how we made this little bait, and we'll get right started. So see you soon. So as I was saying in the intro, we're going to be working with one of our blanks. So first step, I'm going to mount him again on to here, and our first color we are going to use is some sky blue for the top. I'm not quite sure what I'm going for today, but I'm gonna surprise you with a little bit of stuff. So let's see, here we go. And I forgot to tape the lip, so I'm gonna tape the lip quickly and I'll get you guys back. So there we go, I'm back again, lip is taped. So there we go. First color is on the bait. We're gonna now change up, and I'm gonna put in some metallic dark blue, and I'll get you guys back once I paint that on and we use it. So see you soon. So we have cleaned up. I have added some darker metallic blue, and we're gonna go over the top of our bait, and once we've done that I'll wash out again and we'll hit it with some yellow from the bottom, and then we'll add some glitter and we'll blend that in a bit, and then we'll see how that goes. I think I am quite happy with that for now, and we've got that shine on it, and I'll let this dry, wash out the airbrush and get you guys back. So we are back. I've put in my yellow, and we're gonna try and really keep it very near So this is our final raw lure. We are now going to add the actual stickers for a little bit more of a flash. Then we will actually still do a scale pattern over everything, and once we've done that, I will reveal the scale pattern and actually do a clear coat on it, and we'll see how it looks. So see you soon. So as you guys can see, I have cut 2 of these stickers out, and we are going to place them right about here and put them over, and it gives it a nice shimmer. So that will do. So first side is done. Now we'll get to the other side. Not that easy. Too late. On it is. It's not completely symmetrical, but through the scales I hope we will still blend it in a bit. There we go. So that is how it looks. And I'll get everything ready for the scale pattern, and then I'll get you guys back. We are back, and I've put in some silver and put on our mesh, and I'll go over it. Then I'll darken down the silver, hit it from the front, and then darken it again and hit it from the back like that to get a 3D kind of look. So we'll see if that works. So that is the first layer, and now we will darken our silver down with 1 drop of black, and mix him up a bit, put in a little bit of silver still. I don't want it to get too dark. That is a bit darker. So now I'll grab our bait again, and I'll hit him just down like that. Just down like that. And now I'll darken it down 1 more time. And hit him on this side a bit. There we go. So now I'll let that dry, and then I'll get you guys back for the scale reveal. So I'll hang him up and I'll get you guys back once we reveal the scales. So we are back and we are going to take a look at what we were able to make with our scale pattern. So it is a bit blended in, our silver. I'm not too happy with the bottom part right here because we got some scales there and I actually didn't want to get them too much there, but I'm happy with how they turned out right there. We'll see how it looks once it's got the clear coat on. I'm gonna just pop on some eyes. I have chosen these ones today, so I will get some super glue and my super glue actually has dried in a bit, so I'm having a bit of trouble with it. It's turned into like a bit of a gloop, as you guys can see. I just drop on a bit here, one little drop there, and then I'll just get on these eyes. So there we go. He's got his eyes on, and now I will get ready for the clear coat and I'll get you guys back. So as you guys can see, we have got our bait right here, and I'm gonna get the UV resin ready and pop some on. Just make sure that everything is covered nicely. The lip. There you go. No, we pushed on a little bit. And there we go. We now let him hang a bit and let the coating get kind of, there you go. And now we're just gonna rotate him. I see a bubble right there, and now I'm just gonna rotate our bait like this and switch on our curing light, and then we'll make sure that he just hardens out. So I'm actually going to build a rotisserie for the harding process because I really don't like the mess. I don't like how, yeah, just the whole process is not really worked through well yet. So I am going to be trying to make sure that we improve it a little bit, and I'll set this off to harden, and once it's hardened I'll get you guys back and show you what we've got. So we finished the bait build. I'm not happy with the hardening process yet. Still not quite happy with how some of the scales actually went over the belly, but you heard that in the video. I have to get some more super glue because mine actually hardened out. Both bottles that I had turned into like a glue, so I'll have to find something, maybe a alternative that it really stays fresh and doesn't turn into like this very hardened glue already because you can't get it out. And sealing the bait was a real struggle today, and it was also hard to get actually to the point that it is smooth again, so we're going to be concentrating on that. I think I might be working with these stickers again. I'll maybe try to blend it in a bit beforehand, that I maybe make a lateral line out of this, and I'll be covering it with the latex tape, that we can actually pull that off after putting the scales on, and we've actually got a lot of that shimmer that the sticker normally gives us, that has been covered up a bit through the scales, sadly, but we'll see, and we'll get better step for step. Now we've got the winter is here, the fishing season is past, so there's not going to be any fishing adventures in the near future. As soon as it starts again, we're going to be out there straight away with the baits we are going to build over winter. So thanks again for tuning in, and if you're interested, I'm also actually designing a new bait that is a kind of crank swim bait cross. It's going to be out of 2 sections, so I'm also going to be interested how that is going to be for painting, but we'll see that. So if you're interested, maybe subscribe, leave a like, and we'll see each other for the next video. Cheers.